Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if the trackpad is not working on your laptop. If you have any of the laptop, now there is a really quick fix. Now on the laptop, on your keyboard, you have to notice that there is a key that looks something like your trackpad right there. That's F6 in my case, and there may be some different key in your case as well. Now you just simply need to press that particular key right there. For example, if I press F6, it shows touchpad enabled. Now again, if you notice that there is a mouse pointer that enables and it starts working, and that's a simple key to disable or enable the touchpad on your laptop, and you'll see that the mouse has started working. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.